Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix microphone missing in your iPhone keyboard. If you are missing microphone here or here, this may be due to a few things. So let's go and fix this issue. To fix this, first of all, you have to launch settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down to the last there you will see apps option, tap on it. So here are all of your applications. Now, what you want to do is within this app, choose one app that you want to go and find the microphone button, and you just want to make sure you have enabled your microphone. You need to check this at first always, because if you just forgot to give it access to the microphone, then the microphone will be missing. The next thing you need to do is simply go back to the settings homepage. There you will see general option, tap on that. From there, scroll down a little bit, there you will see keyboard option. Again, go through it. Now find the option for enable dictation. Make sure that enable dictation is turned on. If you turn it off and go back to the keyboard to check if microphone is missing, then it will get missed. As you can see, my microphone is not here. Now if you go back and turn it on again and check microphone is missing or not, then it is not missing when you enable dictation. So you always have to check dictation option. You need to make sure that it is always turned on. Once you check all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.